Hi guys, we continue with our solving and let's check the next task. So next task is about course schedule 2. So there are a total of 9 courses you have to take, labeled from 0 to nums course -1. You are given an array of prerequisites where prerequisites I, it's I, B, A, B, indicates that you must take course B, I first if you want to take course A1. So, for example, the pair 0 and 1 indicates that to take course 0, you have to first take course 1. And we have to return the ordering of courses you have to take to finish all courses. If there are many valid answers, return any of them. If it's impossible to finish all courses, return an empty array. So here we have like a number of 2 courses, right? And some prerequisites, 0 and 1. So we should first take course 0 and then course 1. So yeah, so there are a total of 2 courses. And to take course 1, you should have finished course 0. So the correct course is 0, 1. Another prerequisite, so we have 1, 0, then 2, 0, then 3, 1, 3, 2. So to take course 1, we should finalize course 0. To take course 2, we should finalize course 0. To take course 3, we should finalize course 1 and 2. So what we can do here, and yeah, so there are a lot of, there are a total of 4 courses to take. So we should first take course 0, then course 2 or course 1, and then course 3. So we have like 2 answers here. Here we actually don't have any like course 0. We don't have any prerequisites, so we just return course 0 here. Okay, so as we see, we have a number of courses, right? And we should check what course we should take first. Okay, and so we can start from 0 and yeah, and check like what course we should take then. So it looks kind of like a graph problem. So for example, we have course 0, right? Like if we take this second example, so we have course 0 and we have 2 connections to this 0. So we have 1 and 2. After this, we should take course 3. So we have connection between 2 and 3. So we have some kind of this graph. Okay, and if we will take on the first example, we have a graph like 1. We should take, we start with 1, and yeah, we should take course 0 before 1. So let's think, how can we do this? So we can think that Yeah, and this course is actually not sorted. So as a first thing, we should check. So in this example, we see that course 0 is actually our start because we don't have any zeros at the beginning of connection. So we can start with this 0 course. Or we actually, I think we can iterate of number of courses and check if we do have, or we can like create prerequisites, and we see that a number of courses is from 1 to 2000, and prerequisites is number of courses multiply by this one. Yeah, so we can maybe create some set of starting courses, and we can, in this case, we just know which first course we should take. So in this case, we see that we should take course 0. And then we just go to 0 and it make like BFS. So what course we already finalized, we put in the list, and then we have like a queue of 1 and 2. Then yeah, I think we can create a map of courses that we should take. Yeah. So the first step is to create a map of integer and a list of integers. It would be which course I should take before taking this course. And then find first course to take. Then do a BFS over courses and add them in the list, in result list. So I think it should work something like this. So time complexity for this one would be to create this map. So we need, let's say, if we have prerequisites m, so m, it would be our prerequisite length. Yeah, so we should iterate our map, then find first course to take. So in this case, we should iterate n times, where n is num courses. After this, we should do a BFS and add them in the result list. So with BFS, we actually go with every element in prerequisites, actually, one more time. So we have m plus m, I think, and space complexity here would be m, because we need to create this map. Okay, so let's start. We have this map, integer, list of integer. Okay, this map, new hash map. Then we iterate over our prerequisites. Map both. Yeah, so we take our prerequisites, and here map get or default our prerequisite 0 and new array list. Let's take this out. So we have our list of integer. Okay, and here we add to this list PR1. And then we put this list back. Okay, so we have this map. Then we find the first course. So we start with 0 I less than num courses. Let's create separate method. First course. And here we have this map and num courses. And what we do here, we iterate iterate over num courses. Let's say that result would be 0 at the beginning, and here we just update our result. So if map contains key I, if it not contains key I, then result will be equal to I, and we return our result. So here, so here we have first course to take, where we do this find course. Here we have number of courses and prerequisites. Oh, not prerequisites, but this map. Okay. Then what we need to do, so we have our list of integer, it will be our result. Okay, and then we need to do this BFS. BFS. And so let's do this BFS. So how can we do this BFS? Then we create a queue of courses. And queue add, so we add our first course. And while our queue is and is not empty. We do some operations, and at the end we should return our result to array. I don't know, so it should be something like this. Then here we have our list of integer next courses. And here, while again q is not empty, we do the following. To our result, we take our q poll. Q poll. So currently it's our step. Q poll. Then we have map get step. So for example, with 0 we have 1 and 2. Then for 1 and 2 we have 3, and for 3 we don't have anything. Or yeah. Okay. Yeah, so here I think it should be different. So I should do it like this. Then I should list add map get list at 0 here like this, and then find course should be work in a different way. So I have a number of courses on this map, like 0, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, it will be our final one. Okay. I think I can go from the final one, like final course, and I can then go like add to stack and yeah, return these elements. Yes, I think that last course, and then I go through a number of courses and I have this result. I see that I have 3, so I return 3 from here. So here it will be the last course. Then I have stack. It will be stack. Then q add first course. Next pure step. Yeah. So it's last course. So yeah, I have this last course. Here I have list integer. So here it will be steps. Then I add in my result, not in my next yeah, for so I take poll, and then I have steps. I should add to the stack this step. For 3, I have this step 1 and 2. So next, add all steps. And yeah, and then for integer in next, I should give add n. Okay, then after this I have my stack, I have my result, stack size, and while stack is empty not, then I just add to my result stack size int I into my result I++. I'm adding stack poll and yeah, then return results. Let's run it. Okay, so here I have get. Then here I have poll, stack poll, pop. Okay, and because C is null, steps. Okay, map get step. Okay, so I start with 3, then I have 1, 2, then I have 0. Yeah, it should be stack probably. Set steps map get. Yeah, here it should be set new hash set. Okay. Okay, and here it should be also set. Next, add all steps if steps not null. Output 1, 0, 1. Output 3, 0. Okay, I think that, yeah, I will finish because don't have much time. But yeah, thank you very much. And see you next time.